Hey guys, wanted to give you a little bit of tip about what to look for on your siding. If you're thinking about, is it time to replace it? Is it okay? Here's the first thing to look for. This is the back of my house, and we've been very fortunate with this masonite that is actually still in pretty decent shape. What to look for is if you go up and you look straight up into the siding and you look at these edges, what you're wanting to look for is for this nice smooth run of siding. What you don't want to see is called delamination. Delamination is when these siding boards start to separate because there are a lot of compressed layers. So as they start to separate, you start seeing gaps up in here, and that gap means that moisture is going to be penetrating inside of that siding board. There's so many times I've gone to a project where the surface of the siding looks okay, but once we look up, it's basically hollow and it's ready to be replaced. So if you're not sure what the health of your siding is, give us a call at the office and we'll be able to let you know these areas need it or the whole thing might need it. Hopefully not. That's why we're here to help you.